Trisha and welcome back to my channel. It's time for our Weight Loss Wednesday, and today I'm going to make a recipe for you that I came up with in my head, and so I've never made this before, so we're going to try it out. First things, I got a new blender. I broke down and bought a blender. It's a Hamilton Beach, really nice. It doesn't have a long cord, so I have it on the edge of my table stretched out here. So, but anyway, what I have in my blender is almond milk. And to this, I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to add vanilla 310 nutrition shake. This recipe, I got the idea from something I used to like to get at Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A's lemonade. And they make a frozen version that they use, I think, ice cream. It's like vanilla ice cream and lemonade and make like a frozen version. So, whoop, I have these little containers that you can freeze and make like popsicles out of. I use the 310 lemonade, and I use the plain lemonade, and I'm gonna let it thaw out a bit and then drop it down in there. These are nice. I got this got a set of these free with one of my 310 orders. They're always, when you go to order from 310 Nutrition, they have all kinds of freebies. You get samples, and you get to pick your samples, and you also get extras like this. I've got my drink glasses, my shaker cups, I mean. Lots of great things. So let's go ahead and mix this up. Okay. It smells good. All right. Here we go. Let's taste this. This tastes really good. I think I could have added 2 of these and it would have been even more lemony. I will do that next time. But this is close. Now, this is not exactly like Chick-fil-A, but it's close enough for me that I like this. Let me tell you a little bit about the 310 lemonades. It's made with real lemon crystals. It also has apple cider vinegar for gut health, green tea extract to support your metabolism, and alkalizing minerals for antioxidants. And there's only 5 calories per serving. Now this, when I mix up a packet of lemonade, it makes 16 ounces of drink. A pack of 6 of these, it fills up 6 of these to put in your freezer, and you can have like a little like ice cream treat, you know. So one serving will make 6 of these. So these make great snacks with hardly any calories at all. And they come in all kinds of flavors. I use the original, just regular lemonade. It also comes in kiwi strawberry, watermelon, ginger cayenne, cherry lime, and blackberry. Now, since it uses real ingredients, I'm afraid of the watermelon because I do have a melon allergy. I cannot have anything with melon. And I am not a fan of the ginger cayenne, but my husband is. So I give him the watermelon and the ginger cayenne. But the others are delicious, absolutely delicious. So I just thought I would share that with you, and that's today's drink. It's a dupe for the Chick-fil-A. I forgot what it's called, but it's really good. If you like lemon and like a creamy lemon, you'll like this. I'm not a huge fan of just vanilla shakes. And if you want to see what's in them, again, it's 110 calories. And I just probably added maybe a calorie with this little bit of lemonade I added. And then the almond milk. I'm not sure how many calories is in almond milk. I'm thinking around 90. I'm not really sure. Another thing I've been forgetting to tell you about these shakes, I think they're really boosting my energy. My energy seems higher, and it keeps me from having cravings. I don't have cravings when I drink this. Now, let's get into my stats. Since I saw you last week, I've lost 4 pounds. 4 more pounds. That was a shock. I was expecting a pound or 2, but I actually lost 4. Yay. So that was a nice surprise. I was a little more, I don't want to say stricter. I followed healthy eating habits a little better than I have in the weeks before, because I have been eating just small portions of what I cook for my family. But sometimes this past week, I would have maybe a spinach salad, which I love to have in the afternoon, but sometimes I'll have one for dinner with just a little bit of protein, like a little bit of chicken. One thing I do for chicken, my husband takes a salad to work every day, so I thought I would tell you this as well. In your crock pot, put chicken breast and add Italian dressing, and then just turn it on and let it cook. I cook mine on low for about 5-6 hours, you know, till your chicken's done. And then I let it cool, and my husband will use 1 chicken breast per day in his salad. That's another great way to get your protein. It's very flavorful, and it tastes really good. You can use a salad dressing that you've bought, you know, at the store, just a regular bottled salad dressing, and you don't need a lot. You don't drown your chicken in the salad dressing. You just pour a little on top, and that works out great. I also buy the packets of salad dressing mix, the dry mix, and you add a little vinegar and oil to that, and that's what I use to put over my chicken and cook. So I've been having that for dinner, maybe a piece of chicken with my salad, and so yeah, 4 pounds. I'm so excited about that. Now, oh, and I have been packing like crazy, so that's more moving around, more exercise for me, so that might have contributed to the 4 pound weight loss. Next week, we will not have a Weight Loss Wednesday. Sorry, guys. I will be at the beach. It's a girls' trip to the beach, and I am so looking forward to it. So, guys, you won't see me next week, but the week after, I already have some ideas planned for that week. So, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for going along on this journey with me, and I'll see you next time.